In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock signature in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here and click on where it says protect. And then from here, you want to click on certify, and it's going to say certify this document. And basically what this does, it will certify the document with a digital signature to attest to basically its contents and to specify what changes are permitted, okay? So let me actually show you what this does. So if I go to certify over here, I can draw out the signature field like this. And via that, I'll be able to log the signature. So it's going to open up the certify profiles. I'm going to click on create, and I'm actually going to disallow any changes. This is the most important. If you want to lock this document with your signature, you can go ahead and click on disallow any changes. Of course, you can do that as well if you want to any of the others. I'm going to do this one, click on next. And then here you have to select your profile. I'm just going to select a random one I have here, this one, and I'm going to click on next. Now after that, here, of course, you could go ahead and select the reason. I'm just going to do, for example, I'm the author over here, and then you can of course set these different things over here, click on next, and then you can just save this profile name with, I'm just going to name it as instant how to, there we go, and I'm going to click on finish. There we go. I'm going to click on that specific thing, click on apply, and there we go. It's going to load in, and as you can see, the document has been certified, and it says here that it contains fillable form fields, and that's because it does. But of course, as you can see, I can't actually edit anything. I can't go and basically add any comments. I can't highlight, can't draw over it, can't edit text. I can't do anything in the document, which means I've basically signature locked this document over here with the certificate. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.